National Luna portable refrigerators, being the preferred choice for many customers, were originally designed to meet World Health Organization specifications in harsh African conditions. These extreme heat and rugged conditions demand tough construction, high efficiency, and a low power draw. National Luna fridges are internationally recognized for their superior cooling ability. Specifically designed to transport in sub-Saharan African conditions, National Luna has designed a refrigerator range that suits the average camper to the professional safari operator. National Luna refrigerators are constructed of metal inside and out. The durability benefits are obvious to plastic fridges, which gives these fridges a better cooling ability. The unique manufacturing process ensures that foam is injected under high pressure, giving a higher density between the outer and inner shell. This process ensures more effective insulation. National Luna fridges cool faster, stay cold longer, and use minimum power. Internationally known as the best compressor for portable refrigeration, the new Danfoss DC-AC electronic power supply with automatic switching between 12-volt and 240-volt as standard is fitted into all of National Luna's refrigerators. The fridge freezer will operate at 9.6 to 30-volt DC, as well as AC voltage ranging from 100 to 240 volt. Equipped with an easy-to-read digital thermostat, the programmable controller allows you to set the exact temperature you want. Shows you the current bin temperature and gives you the option of manually selecting high-speed mode for even faster cooling. To ensure your battery never runs flat, all National Luna fridges incorporate battery protection circuitry with a fully programmable low battery cutout. Every fridge in the National Luna Classic range will reach an internal temperature of -18 degrees Celsius, even with the outside temperature reaching 43 degrees Celsius. With the choice of stainless steel or aluminium construction, all National Luna fridges feature rounded, impact-resistant corner moldings to help prevent damage to the fridge or vehicle. Sturdy lockable metal latches ensure complete protection of the fridge's contents. Heavy-duty stainless steel spring-loaded carry handles double as tie-downs to maximize the load space. Added to the stylish construction of their fridges, stronger hinges have been fitted to guarantee a more durable product. The Weekender range sports a detachable hinge, which allows for the convenient realignment of the lid. This feature enables you to open the lid at 90-degree tangents, as well as being completely detached. Secure floor mount brackets have been designed to allow you to secure your National Luna fridge to the floor of your vehicle, utilizing easy access locking pins. Protection jackets for all National Luna fridges are also available. The fridges have uniquely designed removable baskets. All fridges are equipped with an energy-saving LED interior light. National Luna's product range has evolved over the last 20 years and is spread over 4 ranges. The legendary Classic range. Developed for performance at high ambient temperatures, minimum power consumption and overall operating efficiency, these fridges are recognized as the most powerful in the world. The Space Saver Weekender range. National Luna offers a lightweight fridge freezer to meet the demand for maximum fridge capacity, where minimum space is available. The double door. This fridge is effectively two fridges built into one unit. Using the National Lunar unique dual control technology, the double-door range of fridges uses only one compressor. The user can set the bin temperatures independently. The twin bin. Using a combination of the legendary classic range design and the space saver weekender range design, the twin bin was created with 90 litres of fridge freezer capacity for all family needs. Designed and manufactured in South Africa, National Lunar offers a 3-year guarantee on all fridges. National Lunar, ruggedly stylish, stylishly cool.